Hey, welcome back. uh, Viewers, in this video you can see we have worked on the edit post part and the data is coming from database. We can edit now the data, but as you can see there is the post category option as select a category and the list of the categories that we already had while inserting a post. But the problem is that we must know that which category was previously selected for this post. So after that we can change the category. So this is very important because we are doing a project that needs every respect to be clearly understood. So first of all I will change this text as well to update the post or edit the post or something like that. So I will just go to the table, insert new post, I will change it to update this post, set fresh. You see, update this post. Now the category part, we have already written a script, a PHP script to call the data from the database, that for example title and the author name and all the things. Now this is the category script that we already had written previously in the insert post page. However, this is not the insert post page, this is the edit underscore post.php page. First thing is to remove this include database from the category block because we already included that above in the page. Next we said get cat select from categories. This is the previous script that we had written for the insert, but now we will say that okay, select from categories, but where, because now this time we are selecting a category that is specific and that should be selected when we click the edit option. So we say select all from categories, but where cat underscore id is equal to this variable post cat. And where is the post cat variable? That is we are already getting from our table post cat and category id in the table. So we know the exact category id, that what is the category id. So we are searching that inside the categories table, and which is in the field cat underscore id. We say find out this category id, and after that do the rest of the things. For example, we have now just run the cat's query, this one, and while loop, and we have retrieve the category id and the category title. And now inside the option value we have the category id which we will be posting or which will be inserting into the post, and the category title is to display to the users. Now just Ctrl S to save, refresh your page. Oh, I'm really sorry, I had some cough. However, refresh the page again. So there is no category because you have a default option about the categories, that is select a category. So you have to remove this one because we don't need it now, because we need the perfect category, that what is the category, the exact category with the post. Now I removed that. Now save all and again refresh your page, and you will see exactly that category, the signs with this post which was already selected. If you go to your post and click, for example, the Bilawal Batu post, edit, click edit, you will see the exact category, and that was Asia News. Oh, you can see it over here. And if you click the cricket one, West Indies, click edit, and you see the sports category is coming. That's why, because this is basically we selected while we were inserting the post. Now, but there is one problem. When you click this list, you see one category, only one category. So this is the problem, because we should have all the categories, so we can select another category if you want to change this. For that purpose, you need to actually write the code again. Just make some space and say create a variable get more cats is equal to write SQL, another SQL query, the same one. For example, select all from categories. Now this time you don't need to say anything. Run more underscore cats is equal to MySQL query in that query is the same, this one, get more. So this is, we are again running one more query, so therefore we are changing the variable names so that they don't make conflict for us. So now while and row more cats, this is another variable, MySQL underscore fetch array, that is run more cats. Okay, and another two curly brackets over here. Now the rest of the things are just copy this block and paste it here. That's it. Told us to save. Press your save all. After that, press your page, and you should see all the categories, but there is no category. All are sports. Oh, let's check what is the problem. Select all from categories. Now this is run more cats, and oh my god, there is a problem. We should add this one, this row variable, instead of this one, the previous one. Just a replaced a variable. Now it must work fine. Refresh the page and see the sport is selected, and you click world news, Asia news, sport, showbiz, cricket, science, etc. So you can change the category now. Everything is fine. Now the rest of the thing is just to click this update option and to update the post. So you can just change your picture from here, and also change anything like post title, like the author name and the category, and also the keywords. Anything you would like to change, you can. However, the very tough part is still remaining, which is the updating part. Now now when you change, the admin or anyone change the content, so still there are the same names, keyword name and post author, post keyword, post image, and all the things that all are saving in these local variables. We already created this script while creating the inserting page. So if I set post submit, so this is basically post now. This is post, but this is not submit, this is now update. So make it update. And one thing we must make sure that we need to create an ID, and an ID is basically, first of all, just change the form action to view underscore post, index view underscore post. Okay, so the next thing is this post ID. We need this post ID again. Just come here and say create a new variable with the name update underscore id is equal to $_ underscore get, and which is okay. Let me change update underscore id is equal to $_ underscore get, and this will be post underscore edit. Okay, or simply you can make it like post id, update id is equal to post update id is equal to post id. I just name it update id because for simplicity and for clearness, so we can just specific id we can update, otherwise all of our table will be updated. Now come to this part. We are saying that insert into post and this and that, but now the time has changed. You need to remove this all, and you will change this query as well to update posts and run update. Update posts, yes. So now what you can do is just simply say update post set post. Now come over here, check out your table, post category, post under category id. I think there is the name of that is category id, yes. Set category id underscore id to this one, post cat. You can see over here, we'll change this to cat1, and we'll also name it cat1 over here because we have another variable above in the first script with the same name, so we don't want to make some conflicts. Now again single quotes, inside single quote you need to say is equal to this thing. Now just insert a comma, a normal comma, and say the next field is post title. Post id is here is auto increment, so you don't need to do anything with this. You can just use it for reference purpose. Post underscore title, set post underscore title to this updated one, which is post title itself. Post title, and again comma, and say what is next, post date, post underscore date, set it to post new date, which is this one, coming today, and also say post author equal to this new post author, the updated one, and post keywords is equal to post keywords, and post image to equal to this new one, and the last is post underscore content equal to post content. Now it's fine till here that we are updating. We say update post, which is a table, and we say set category ID to this one and this to this and that to that. That is okay over here. But if we say like this, the one single post from here will overwrite all the posts. I mean, will replace all the posts. So all the posts will be updated with the single post, this one. So therefore we need to actually let them know that which specific ID has to be updated. For example, we must say here in the script that okay, set this IDs or this fields to that, but to a specific ID, not to all the fields or to all the table, just specific ID, in which is this update ID. We will say where post underscore ID is equal to this update ID. Oh, that's it. Very simple. What do we say? Post ID is equal to update ID. So the specific one will be updated. Now save. Post has been updated, and we will say go view underscore post. Let's check out, this is the same variable, view post. Yes, this is the same variable. Now just refresh the page and come to your browser. So for example, we say we say the world news. No, this is the category is okay, same. We just say 1 2 3 4 5 and we change the image to something else. For example, this boys. Now come here and update now, and you see the page is redirecting, but the things are not updating. Yes, things are not updating. So come over here again and see where is the problem. Let me check the image. Set the admin panel. The image is also not uploaded to the folder. There is some problem in the post. I mean, something is missing, maybe. Oh my god. Update post. Update post, and this. We set update post title and everything. Okay, click it again. 1 2 3 4 5. Just update it. Not updating. There is some problem. Okay, let me find the error, because it may take time to find out where is the error. So let me find the error and then tell you in next video lecture, because this video will be very lengthy. However, we have done all the things, and it's very simple, or very very few. I think this just the error has to be removed. That what is the error, but everything is fine. I think looks fine, so it should work. Oh, let me come back to you.